What's up, Kagham? Welcome to Sci Talk, your go-to podcast for exploring tech tools that make science learning more exciting and effective. I am Brian Miyaga,
And I'm Francine Mariel Rosales,
and we are your Tech Buddies.
You're tuning in to another episode where we'll review, share, and dive together into different tools and teaching methods that can make learning and teaching more fun and engaging.
In this special episode, we will bring the night sky right into your classroom.
That's right, partner. We're talking about a tool that lets you explore the wonders of space without leaving your seat.
So, whether you're teaching about constellations, planets, or even the cosmos, this tool is a game changer for science education.
So stay tuned, Gagham, as we walk you through its features and how you can see it to make your lessons out of this world.
By the way, partner, kumusta man imong weekend? Grabe, init kayo, right? It's like the sun is near to us.
Yes, tinuod yung partner, murag instead of stargazing, murag mas need siguro nato og ice bath. Wala na ganing ko ni gawas kay murag ang kainit, murag grabe pa sa feelings during exam week.
Yes, same here. Pero kabalo ka sa ininit, ani? Bisan init kayo sa gabas, we have this app that lets us explore the skies while staying cool indoors.
Sakto gyud ka diha. Science learning while chill lang sa balay? Yes na yes.
Speaking of exploring the skies, our tech tool spotlight for today is none other than, drumrolls please, Stellarium!
Yes, Kaagham! Stellarium is an open-source planetarium software that shows a realistic sky in 3D, just like what you'd see with the naked eye, binoculars, or even a telescope.
It's perfect for teachers and students alike. You can use it to stimulate the night sky, explore constellations, track planets, and even plan stargazing sessions. Pero ikaw, partner, nakagamit na ba ka ng Stellarium nga app?
Of course, partner! Naka-remember ka itong astronomy class nato before under ta kay Sir Arman Huesca?
Yes, partner. Stellarium di ba ito atong gamit? Grabe to ba? Mura to virtual field trip every time nga magamit ta.
Tinuod yun, makita nato ang stars, ang planets, ug mga constellations. Murag naata sa planetarium bisan naara ganita sa balay.
Maong excited kayo kung mo share nato ani sa atong mga kagham. Kay kung na-excite ta ato before, for sure makapahappy pud ta sa ilang science lessons karon.
Yes, sakto yung kaniya partner. So mga kagham, stay with us as we give you a walkthrough sa Stellarium and show you how to use it in your own classrooms or learning spaces.
Before nato i-break down ang features sa Stellarium, ato sang tan-awon ang capital or startup cost. Kini ang mga initial nga kinahanglan, buhaton o gastuhan para magsugod og gamit para sa tool.
Right. Importante yung kayo niyo siya nga part, no? Especially kung teacher ka nga nagplano gamiton ni sa klase. Kay, kinahanglan nato mahibalaan kung pila ang magasto, unsa kasayon ang setup, o kung sustainable pa siya gamiton in the long run.
Good thing based sa atong experience. Makaingon kita nga very accessible and budget-friendly ning a tool.
Gani partner, so for this episode, we will be sharing to you, our dear Kaagham, our personal experience using Stellarium sa among astronomy class before.
Speaking of experience, partner, balikan nato kadali itong time nagigamit nato ang Stellarium. Libre na ba to siya or na ba to'y bayad?
Libre ra gyud to siya partner. It's an open source software, so wala gyud tay gibayaran ato. Perfect kaayo para sa mga estudyante as well as sa teachers nga gamay ra kaayo og budget.
Exactly, and what's even better, sa yun ra kayo siya i-install. Gi-download ra nato to diretso sa una, right? And sa ato ang mga personal phones nga grabe ka walay hassle.
Tama ka diya partner, wala na kinahanglan na special hardware or any server space. Among phones ra gani ato nga time pero grabe na kayo ka smooth ang dagan.
Oo, and wala po ta nagkinahanglan ng vendor support or training. Very beginner friendly ang interface, so ang learning curve gamay ra gyud kaayo.
Mga 1 or 2 tries lang ata to partner siya mag-navigate o dili na po siya kinahanglan nga i-customize ang app kay daghan na siya og built-in features for teaching.
And since open source siya, na-put access sa source code kung gusto ka mag-explore pa. Pero honestly, gamit na daan as is.
Daghan po siya developers nga familiar sa Stellarium. So, kung if ever magkinahanglan og help, dali ra kaayo makapangayo og tabang.
And the best part, kay app man siya, pwede gid ni gamiton individually. Pero kung gusto ka group activity, pwede gihapon siya i-scale by letting the students download the app sa ilahang mga phones.
And also, partner, no, in terms of operating cost or mga gasto ug effort na kinahanglan para mapadayon og gamit ang Stellarium sa klase or personal learning. Ang Stellarium honestly wala gyud siya required no regular maintenance. Since app lang siya sa phone, wala tay bayranan nga yearly maintenance fees.
True, wala po siya subscription or license renewal nga kailangan bayaran kada tuig. Once ma-install na siya, ready to use na dayon siya anytime.
And about updating the data, ang Stellarium app kay regularly nag-update through the App Store. Automatic ra siya so walay hassle or any additional cost.
Sakto gyud. Og since wala man tay gigamit nga own server ani, dili na pud kinahanglan og admin level access or server maintenance. Perfect para sa mga teachers nga gusto og hassle-free na tool.
Busa kung practical ug cost-efficient tool ang ginapangita para sa astronomy or earth science lessons, Stellarium is definitely worth trying.
Karon isgutan na pud natong about the functions and features sa Stellarium. Kumusta man siya, partner? How well does it meet the needs of the user community and the project team?
Okay kaayo, partner. Stellarium works well for a wide range of users, students, teachers, and even astronomy enthusiasts. It provides 3D simulations of the night sky and interactive features that are super helpful for education, especially in learning about stars, planets, as well as constellations.
Exactly, it's really flexible. Teachers can use it for lessons, and students can use it for projects or even just for personal exploration. It's also useful for project teams who want to show the sky at different locations and times.
True, and ang nindot pa, Stellarium supports common file formats like PNG, JPEG, ug mga text files. So walay need mag-convert kung mag-import og files. Dali ra pud siya i-export, partner. Kung gusto mag-compare ka sa uban na software, dako og advantage nga dili kinahanglan pa mag-convert.
Yeah, it's really convenient. The best part is it works well with other tools that teachers or students are already using. For example, it is compatible with presentation software like PowerPoint or other educational tools. So, dali ra siya i-integrate sa atuang mga lessons.
Yes. Pero ang dili yun ako malimtan, partner ba? Kaya ang challenge when it comes sa security and permission. So, since open source man gud siya, anyone can access the software. Pero, it still requires some manual setting up sa mga permissions kung magtudlo og multiple users, especially when it comes for data sharing.
Exactly. It's easy to use, pero kung kinahanglan yun nga klaro ang pag-manage sa access, especially kung daghang users ang magamit sa Stellarium, sa school or project team.
Yeah. Though for data storage, wala tayong problema kaya the data is stored locally sa ato ang device. Wala po tayong problema kung kinsa ang nag-host sa data, partner, kaya since personal naman ang atong gamit. So, you also don't have to worry about compliance with data sharing agreements because there's no sensitive data involved.
True, partner. Since it is a standalone app and not reliant on external servers, the data security is on your device. You own the data and you can control how you share it.
That's right. And overall, the software is secure, but it still depends on how you handle the app itself, especially if you're using it in a classroom or with a team. But for individual use, there's no big issue.
Yes, indeed. It is a simple tool, but it provides a lot of useful features for teaching and learning about the night sky.
But the big question here, partner, is that how reliable is Stellarium as a tool?
Actually, Stellarium is a well-established software. It's been around for a while and daghan na kayo users all over the world, from schools to hobbyists. So, definitely proven na siya ng technology that can meet the needs of similar clients.
Yes, tama ka diya, partner. And the best part is, it's been continuously updated and improved. It's not like a one-time thing. Naara siya mga regular upgrades and bug fixes na ginapang release.
And the good news is, Stellarium is a mature in terms of its features and capabilities. Dili siya like a better version nga medyo unstable pa. It's been around for over 20 years, so it has gone through a lot of improvements already.
Wow, that's so impressive, partner, no? So, how many versions gonna have been released so far?
As of now, Stellarium has released multiple versions. Naabot na siguro mga 20 major updates. Now, they keep on improving the software to meet the evolving needs of users.
Yes, and looking forward, Stellarium is planning even more updates. I believe they're working on adding more realistic sky simulations, improving interface options, and making it easier to use for both beginners and advanced users.
Overall, it's a reliable tool, and the ongoing improvements ensure that it will stay relevant and useful in the future.
How about sa usability, partner? How user-friendly is Stellarium for the users, man?
Actually, Stellarium is very intuitive. You don't need extensive training to use it. And mga basic features like searching for constellations, planets, and stars, dali ra kayo sundon.
Yes, and one of the best things about Stellarium is nga naa siya'y help features or documentations available sa software mismo. If ever you get stuck or need to explore a new feature, dali ra kaayo ka makapangita og guide.
Exactly. They have a built-in user manual and online resources nga makatabang sa users, from beginners to advanced astronomers. Plus, there are tutorial videos online nga pwede ra nimo ma-access sa dali-dali.
Yes, and to be honest, it's so easy to use good. Users can get started with just a few clicks, so there's no need for deep technical knowledge. And ang interface sa software is klaro and dali ra kaayo siya sundon.
Sa among experience, no need for heavy training. We were able to navigate the tool on our own right way, and we didn't feel lost at any point.
Yes, that's right. And even if you're not that tech savvy, Stellarium makes it easy for you to dive right into the learning experience. So, for us, teachers and students, it's definitely a time saver and makes science learning a lot more engaging.
In addition to that, partner, since it is an open source software, it's great to have a large community of active users and developers. Plus, Stellarium offers various ways to contact support, which whether it's through their official websites or community forums.
Yes, and you can even contribute to the development, which is a good sign that the community is engaged. So the time behind it continues to be active in improving and upgrading the software.
And regarding support, Stellarium provides free support through the community forum and its user documentation. But if you need more specific assistance, there are also third-party consultants available who can help.
Yes, Stellarium's vendor is very stable and it has been around for decades already. So I don't think we have to worry about it going anywhere soon. But if hypothetically the project stopped, the open source community would likely to continue developing it further.
That's the beauty of open source. If the original vendor stops, the community takes over. But given its stability, Stellarium will probably be around for a long time.
Wow, mga kaagham, grabe no? We've reached the end of another fun and insightful episode. Seryoso, I hope that you got some great ideas for your next lesson with Stellarium.
Well, I guess that's it for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in and for joining us in our little science adventure.
Don't forget to follow us, share this episode with your fellow teachers, and stay tuned for more cool tools and tips to level up your science game. Once again, I'm Francine Mariel Rosales,
And I am Brian Villaga, your tech buddies, now signing off.
Bye!